Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix battery drain on Google Pixel 10 Pro. First, go into the settings of your phone. In here, find Battery. Enable the standard battery saver. You can also enable the Extreme Battery Saver, but that includes all changes listed above the standard battery saver. It also pauses non-essential apps and their notifications, so it can restrict your system heavily. Now go into Display and Touch. Lower the brightness, or use Adaptive Brightness. You can disable Enhanced HDR Brightness. Disable Always On Display. Lower the screen timeout to around 1 minute. Disable Smooth Display. Scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not currently using, for example, Internet, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.